will now be recorded.
Based on the keyword, you'll start getting the results, guys. So now what is the importance of SEO and what is the importance of other aspects, I'll explain here. So as I said, SEO is divided into two parts, okay, which we will look in the future classes. Now this top one is there, right? This top, this part is called as Google Ads. Okay, this top part is called as Google Ads, guys. Now
No voice again.
one second. Okay, now as you can see, this top part is called as Google Ads, and the second part, Google Business Locations, guys. So this one will be covered in the part of local SEO. Okay, SEO, as I said, it is divided into on page and off page, and it is again typically it functions to get you positions both in the local SEO as well as organic SEO. Okay, don't get confused, guys. So this one is local SEO. That one is if you are aware of the My Business locations in Google. So how to get positions in My Business locations, that will be guided in this part. Okay, now how to get positions in the top search results, these are the SEO results. So as you can see here, three brackets are there. These are Google Ads. The top one, top two are called as Google Ads. The second one is called as Google My Business locations, and the third part is SEO organic results. Okay, so from here the positions start. Now how we have to achieve top 1 to top 10 positions in SEO, that will be discussed in our course, guys. So what is the strategy that we have to follow to achieve the positions will be discussed in our sessions. Okay, now how to get your ads placed, how to get your ads placed here will also be shown real time. Okay, how to get your ads placed will also be shown real time with all the aspects end to end, guys, with all the aspects end to end in real time on Google Ads tool, which is owned by Google itself. Okay, that one will also be covered in our session. Okay, so what we can do with SEO, you got an idea right now. We can achieve these organic result positions with the help of SEO. Okay, there is a lot more to speak about SEO, but what we can achieve, I just gave an explanation and idea to you, because many are newbies to digital marketing, right? So I just want to take you through the definition part. So what is what exactly, to know a proper thing. Okay, so these results are called as organic results, and these results are called as paid results from Google Ads. Okay, now it is basically divided into two parts, on page and off page. Now what is on page optimization? Now on page optimization is nothing but whatever you do on your website, whatever you do on your website, including the technical changes or the functional changes, all the aspects that will be considered as on page. That means within your pages. Now whatever you do off page activity, in the sense, I'll give you a classic example for your understanding, for a better understanding. Let us assume in an RTC, or else take a railway department, they are trying to introduce a pass. Okay, now first what they will do, they will design the pass, They will create guidelines for the pass. They will take decisions on the pass. All these aspects will be in the part of management level. So which is on page. That is internal, right? So which is on page. Now whatever we do about the promotion, displaying on the railway, in the trains, sending SMS, or displaying it on newspapers, all these parts will be covered as promotional aspects or off page. Okay, now you might have understood the relation. On page is whatever we do on our website, that is within our own website, that is on page. Now whatever we do about our website on the third party sources. Okay, whatever we do about our website on the third party sources, but that is all the promotions we do on the third party sources about our website is considered as off page optimization. Okay, now off page optimization will bring traffic to your website. On page optimization will improve the technicality to get positions in the Google. Okay, both are interrelated, guys. Both on page and off page optimization are interrelated, in the sense one will not work with the without another. You're getting? Without proper on page optimization, off page will not work properly. That is about SEO, guys. See, don't worry, guys, you'll get in-depth knowledge in the future sessions when I'm going to start. I'm just trying to give you the definitions today. What is what exactly, to give you a proper understanding about digital marketing. What are the different aspects in digital marketing? Okay, now going to the next one is SEM. So many might confuse about this one. This is nothing but search engine marketing. You might have heard only about Google Ads and other sources. Now, broadly considering it, whatever the paid ads that are run on different search engines, that is considered as search engine marketing. Now, what are the different search engines we have? What are the popular search engines we have? At least Google is one popular search engine. Then
Yahoo.
Bing,
YouTube.
yes.
YouTube, Amazon.
Yahoo, absolutely. Amazon is having their own platform. So
Flipkart
there are,
also, Snap.
yes, there are absolutely, there are hundreds of browsers which are, hundreds of search engines that are active in the market. But why people only talk about Google Ads? Why people only talk about Google Ads? The reason being, it captured 70% of the global market. 70% of the global market uses Google for searching various results, or else say searching various information on internet. Okay, so Google became priority for each and every business, and Google itself became the topmost search engine in the world. And yes, obviously someone pointed YouTube. YouTube is considered as the second search engine, but it is a video sharing platform only. Absolutely. Now on Google, whatever sort of information you want, you will get it. But on YouTube, you will get only videos. So that is the basic difference, and it is owned by Google again. YouTube is also owned by Google. So anyhow, that is a part. Google video ads is a part of Google Ads again. Okay, that I'll explain you what all the parts that will be covered in Google Ads that will be there. So Bing and all other search engines, Yahoo, Bing and all other search engines, they cover about 30% share of the global market. And that is the reason whenever you speak about search engine marketing, people will speak it, pronounce it in different ways. PPC marketing, Google Ads, or else paid marketing. So everything related to Google only. Okay, that is the reason we don't take another ad marketing platforms into consideration. So this term became unpopular, and the other terms such as PPC and all other things came. So the other two most important ad platforms on search engines are Google and Bing, guys. So they uh, project or they cover whole lot of aspects in bringing the traffic to your website or in generating leads for your business. Okay, so in Google Ads, what we will cover? In Google Ads, we will cover text ads, now the one which you are seeing, these are text ads, guys. These are text ads. Now video ads, so I don't need to give any introduction about the video ads. I hope whenever you are just going through YouTube, you'll find ads in between it or at the starting of the video. Now how to project or how to campaign those sort of ads will be learned in the video ads section of Google Ads tool. Third one is display ads. So whenever you are visiting any website, now these are called as display ads, guys. These ones are display ads. Now how you can recognize them is, if you just hover on the eye mark, you can see ads by Google. Okay, these are display ads, so that will be covered in this section. You can see these are also display ads. All these parts will be covered in the display ads. The fourth one is app installations. So if you are having any mobile app promotion, mobile app paid promotion, that will be covered in this aspect, guys, app installation. Now the fifth one is shopping ads. So as you can see, the sponsored image here, these are all shopping ads. Now what is the difference between shopping ads and display ads is, shopping ads will straight away take you to the product cart like this. Okay, so display ads also more or less work similar, but target will not be that accurate. Okay, you can just project multiple images in the display ads, whereas these are product related, product specific. Shopping ads give you results product specific, whereas display ads will be like based on your cookies. Okay, if you have searched a shoe, the next time when you are opening any other website or social media platform, automatically what will happen, that shoe ad will be coming up in your third party website which you are browsing or so forth. So everyone understood, right? So these are the 5 ad types which we will be discussing in Google Ads, guys, and all will have the certifications. These 5 will have certifications, and Google basic certification will also be there. That will be covered in our sessions. Okay, that is about Google Ads. Now what is the basic difference between SEO and search engine marketing is, this is completely organic in the sense free traffic, I can say. Now if you are getting ranked in the Google search results, automatically you'll get free traffic, right? Now this one is paid ads. Google Ads is nothing but paid ads. You have to pay to Google to get your ads placed in those positions. Okay, these are paid ads. So organic ads will be taking their own time, whereas paid ads will bring instant traffic and leads to your business. That is the main difference. Now third one is social media optimization, and fourth one is social media marketing. And again, Both have the same difference as I shown in SEO and Google Ads. SMO is social media optimization. Now optimizing your brand, here the keywords will not come, guys. Optimizing your brand in the social media platforms is called social media optimization. Okay, so when you are just going through your Facebook pages, so whatever the pages you like or whatever the profiles your friend your I mean your friends list is there, you'll get their updates on your newsfeed, right? So that is social media optimization. That is free traffic again. In social media optimization, you will drive free traffic. That is, you will be posting daily updates on your page, business page, or else your profile. So what it will do, it will send notifications to your friends list or people who like your page. So automatically you'll get an attention for that particular post each and every day. So in this way, you can promote your products or services in an organic manner. Now, what is SMM? In social media also, you will be able to see the sponsored ads. Okay. In always, there are different types of sponsored ads on social media platforms. In this, the most popular paid ad platforms are provided by FB, Instagram. Both FB and Instagram share same platform, guys, because it is owned by Facebook itself, LinkedIn, and last Twitter. So these are the 4 platforms. Even though there is Snapshot, but it will be very costly, guys. When you are dealing with abroad, this thing only you'll be able to afford it. But in Indian terms, Snapshot users are very less, and these are the 4 platforms which will be targeted in India to get ad attentions and to get leads. Okay, so these are the 4 platforms, and we'll look into all the paid ad platforms. I mean, all the paid ads in the 4 platforms. Okay, all the paid ad options in the 4 platforms. And I'm giving you a hint, guys. Once you learn Google Ads, these things will be very easy. Once you are thorough with the Google Ads, the social media marketing will be very easy, guys. It will be a cakewalk. No need to worry about it, because all the platforms will share similar UI, user experience. Okay, similar user experience or user interface, I can say. So it will be a cakewalk for everyone. So next, coming to email marketing. Okay, now don't get fooled by this one, guys. This is again Google Ads only. This will be covered in the display ads part. Okay, whenever you are browsing your Gmail, if you are getting ads on the top, okay, like this, when you are getting the ads on top, those are Google Ads, guys. Those are nothing but Google Ads only. This will be covered in the display ads part. Now, whatever the promotions that are there in this promotions tab, now to create those ads, I will show you the platforms and how we can create free email marketing strategies. All will be shared in real time. So, but I'm again giving a hint on that. It will be used for a small email marketing strategies only. Let us say 2000 mails, 3000 mails or so, you can use it for those sort of strategies. So if it is extending into lakhs, email marketing itself is a major course, guys. It is a technical aspect, whereas email marketing expertise will only can generate you lakhs of salaries. As you can see, there is a huge demand for email marketing in this competitive market. Okay, so that will be a different course altogether. So, but to our digital marketing aspects, how to create templates, how to create basic email marketing strategies to reach the people, all will be discussed in our sessions. Okay, next one is AdSense. I'll show you how to create blogs, how to post information, and again how to promote it comes into SEO and Google Ads, guys. So you can promote it there. Now how it works, I'll explain. It's a simple theory, guys. Now we have searched one website, right? I'll explain both the things in that. Now this is a coupon website. Everyone is able to view this, right? This is a coupon website. Now here, this website is generating revenue in two types. One is through AdSense. Now whenever an ad is displayed on this website, Google will be paying a portion to this amount. Now where Google is getting the amount from? Google is getting the amount paid from the advertisers. Okay, Google is getting paid the amount from the advertisers. So that ad amount will be shared with this website owner. What is the reason? Means this content, the content on this website is owned by the website owner. So automatically what will happen? Google is sharing its content on this platform, right? So it has to pay some rental charges, some sort of rental charges. So it is going to pay the website owner through Google AdSense. That is one. Now the second income on this website is...
Sir, can you explain again?
Now, people will be running ads on Google, right? So when you are creating display ads, let us say you own a business. You are paying to Google to run your ads. Now what Google is doing? Google is promoting your ads on different websites which are not owned by Google, right? So what exactly will happen here? Google will have to pay them because it is not owned by Google, right? So the amount which is paid by the advertiser will be paid to the publisher. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So the second one is affiliate marketing, guys. In the same website, the second income source is affiliate marketing. Now these are all coupons. Now how affiliate marketing works, I'll show you. Now I just click this, right? Now when I'm clicking buy now, you can see here a code will be generated. I'll show you in the URL. The code will be generated. Can you unmute that? Okay, as you can see here, deal hind 21 source equal to indiafreestuff.in. Now from where I clicked it, from this website, and where I was redirected, Amazon, right? Now if I purchase this product in the next 30 days, okay, if I purchase this product in the next 30 days from this website, from this laptop and from this browser, okay, from this laptop and from this browser, a portion of the amount will be shared to this website owner. Okay, a small piece of amount will be shared to this website owner. That is affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, so with the help of this link, with the help of this tag, Amazon will recognize where the traffic is coming from. Based on that, it will share the revenue with that particular website owner. Okay, for that there will be a platform. One affiliate marketing platform will be there. You have to register on it. With the help of it, you will get the revenue. Okay, you will be able to generate the revenue. You might have a question. So, sir, if I'm having a habit of deleting the cookies, so I'll be helpless. So if such sort of thing is there, if you are purchasing it right now, it will be considered in the account of India Free Stuff. But if you are purchasing after 2 or 3 days directly from Amazon, it will be considered a fresh product only. Okay, if you are having an habit of deleting the cookies. Okay, cookies play a major role. So where these cookies will be stored is in your browser. So, sir, what is cookies? See, cookies is nothing but whatever you search in the browser or whatever the activities that you conduct in the browser will be tracked and saved on your browser only. Okay, those are called cookies. So whenever you delete, clear the browsing data, all the cookies will be removed. These cookies will help you in tracking the information basically. It is helpful in analytics. I'll explain you when we are going to analytics and when we are going into the Google display ads and all those sort of things. Okay, in the meanwhile you can just read about it. Okay guys, so definitions part everyone understood, right? Is there any doubts? This is basic thing only. Okay, App Store optimization, guys. The next one is, okay, now Play Store will be there, right? Google Play Store. So like in SEO, have you achieved positions in the top search results? Okay, like this. You can also create positions for the mobile apps. Okay, so how to go about the mobile app marketing, that will be discussed in the App Store optimization. This will not take a great deal of time, guys. It will take less than 1 or 2 sessions only. Okay, that is about App Store optimization, optimizing your applications, mobile apps in the Play Store or what is the other one, Google Play Store or iOS App Store, right? Yeah, App Store. So in this both. Now the next one is online reputation management. So here you can see reviews. Now how to manage reviews in different websites, how to create a positive reputation for any brand in the market. That strategy will be discussed as a part of the online reputation management, guys. So let us assume some brand is getting continuously negative reviews. Now how to make it positive? So everyone knows it. There will be fake reviews in the market. Everyone is aware of it, right? So all the reviews are not genuine. There will be fake reviews in the market. Those sort of things will be manipulated and managed with the help of online reputation management techniques. Okay, so these are the things which we will discuss in the next 45 days, guys. So SEO itself is a very huge topic, and so we will start with basics of SEO tomorrow. Okay, so please start reading on basics of SEO. I will create a Excel sheet, guys. I'll try to create an Excel sheet and I'll share it with you accordingly with the plan. Okay, what are the topics that will be dealt day by day? Okay, I will be creating a Excel sheet and sharing it with you. Is it fine, guys? So that you people can come prepared for the next session. I'll do it. Try to do it by today or tomorrow. You'll get the Excel sheet shared by last year. Okay.
Yeah, it is
so tomorrow morning. Yes. Please go on.
Yeah, it is a dashboard, I think so.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we'll meet tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, just try to learn about basics of SEO. So we'll start with that, and I'll catch you people tomorrow. Thank you, guys.
Awesome session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.